What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I actually uploaded a video, and a lot of people are actually wondering what happened to the Z3. Well, just letting you know the Z3 is officially parted out. I still have the shell, the wheels, suspension, the seats. I'm keeping that because I'm eventually gonna put a 350 small block in it. But I have something else that I've been working on, something that's kind of been a dream of mine, to actually build a drag car, drag, in the track and also in the street. So today I will be showing you my project, and you get to see what's going on. But here she is. Give me 1 second. 84 S10, small block 350, TH 350 in it. Got the wet wheels, skinnies up front, which I just put on today. It also has the slicks in the back with the wet wheels, 15 by 8s in the back. Side exit exhaust on it. I'm working on the interior now. Kind of want to keep the bench seat because it's so fresh. I'm thinking about it though. I might just go with some Kirky seats in it. I'm redoing the whole thing here because the ex-owner, he already had the motor in it, but he didn't have the suspension or anything done to it. Just basically the motor. I did everything else. He kind of put these cages, but the temperature one is not working. So I figure while I'm doing all this stuff to it and I want to put it the way I want to, I ordered all new odor meters for the truck. So I'm eliminating all this here, these switches. I made my whole switch panel that goes here, which I'm gonna show you. I end up lowering the truck 3 in the front, 4 in the back. It's the long bed, S10 as well. This is the switches. Don't mind the garage is a little dirty right now. But I built this right here. Love for the haters. That's the name of the truck that I built. You know, you got the water, fuel, oil. Up here is gonna be voltage, and I'm thinking about the oil temperature for the transmission. And then these are just gonna be extra switches I'm putting on, which they should be here today. This is where normally your radio and AC panels would be at. So I made this here to go over that, right? To go over this. Give me 1 second to go over this right here, just like that. And then it will bolt up with the stock lines up. So that's the switch panels for that. That's what I'm working on now. Let me go ahead and show you guys the motor and everything else that I've been doing to this thing. You guys don't even know how excited I am about this. This, I always had a dream of building a drag car. Not to be the fastest in the world, but 1 second. Not to be the fastest in the world, whatnot, but just wanted to build something for me to enjoy. So small block 350. It's got what they call that, rocker arms, I believe. It's got rocker arms already in it. The last owner was an older gentleman who didn't really know. How can I explain? He built this car years ago and it's been garage kept. This paint job was done 10 years ago and it looks immaculate. He had it 10 years ago built, and he don't remember exactly what was done to it because he's a veteran and he kind of can't even bother with the truck no more. So he kept it in the garage all these years until his son made him sell it, and I ended up buying it, which, I came up on a decent deal. Well, what I did was I eliminated all the AC stuff. I made this plate right here. This is where the MSD is going to go. Fuel pressure regulator, any other little components I need to put in there. And it's going to be all clean wiring because he had a mess in here. So I ended up ripping everything out. I gutted the tubs, put new spark plugs, new wiring, all new gaskets around. I am going to pressure wash it. I put a new carburetor in it as well. It's 650 CFM Holly 4-barrel. It's got headers already in it. Like I said, it's not gonna be the fastest, but it is gonna be my car, something I can enjoy and beat up, and it's always been one of my dreams. So it's just something that I built for myself, you know, and little by little she'll get faster. And like I said, the Z is still in my book. I'm actually gonna put a 350 in it as well, Vortex motor with an automatic transmission, because I want that also to be pretty fast, but my wife also wants to enjoy it and she don't know how to drive manual. So that's the motor right here. It's a 96 350 Vortex heads already built into it and all that. I'm gonna clean all that up nice. I'm gonna clean all this up real nice. And then that is gonna go inside the BMW Z3. And basically this is what I got going on, man. This is it. And then this is another project I'm working on for a customer. Is actually getting the old motor, original motor that was in my Z3, which is, give you a quick glimpse of what it looks like now. Don't mind it, but yeah, she looks like she's abandoned, but she's not. I got all the wheels and everything on my other Z. I got the wheels on the Z4. See, I basically stripped it down or whatnot, but I'm gonna put a car cover on that. And finally, an update on this. So 5 Series might not look like much right now, but I did end up just ordering metal flares for it, which they already came in. This car will be leaving sometime in a week or two to get the flares welded on, body work done from a friend of mine's. Once he does that, then I might be dropping it off to another friend of mine who's gonna do the actual paint work. So that car, I'm not pressed to get it done. Because that car won't be driven until maybe springtime or summertime. I'm actually in the process of thinking about getting a second garage built where those cars are at, right there. That way I could put the cars that are done, like my, race truck and stuff like that, in there, in a clean garage, and this would just be my work area. So I've been thinking about that. But yeah, I will be uploading more videos. Just right now, I've been focusing on trying to get this thing right a little bit. But we finally getting it to where I wanted it to look. So more videos will be coming. I'll probably drop another one of me doing all the wiring and stuff like that for it to get it started up. And then I'll go ahead and upload a video of it started, man. All right. Appreciate y'all, man. See ya to the next video.